Introducing the Oppo A60, a smartphone that combines style, performance. Key specifications. Display, the Oppo A60 features a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, this phone delivers reliable performance. With 8 GB RAM, multitasking is a breeze. Storage. Choose from 128 GB or 256 GB internal storage. Camera. The dual camera setup includes a 50 MP primary sensor with a 2 MP depth sensor. Selfies. The 8 MP front camera ensures your self-portraits are Instagram-worthy. Battery. The 5000 mAh battery comes with 45W wired charging. Design, the Oppo A60 is sleek and durable. It's available in purple and blue colors. Software, running Android 14 with ColorOS 14. This phone offers a customizable user experience. Pricing, the Oppo A60 is expected to be priced around 15,990 Indian rupees. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with decent features, the Oppo A60 might be the right choice for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're here to keep you informed about the latest in technology.